Good morning, children. Last day we completed lesson 12. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, the verb. The name of the lesson is the verb. Last day we learned this, that, these, those. Today the new lesson is the verb. Children, what is the meaning of the verb? What do you mean by the verb? Verb means a doing word. Verb means an action word, action. Okay, the work is being done, that is called verb. You can say the work, you can say the action, or you can say the doing word. These all things are called verb. So we will learn from the book. All of you please take your English grammatics book, lesson 13, the verb, page number 59, page number 59. Read the following sentences. She sings very sweetly. She sings very sweetly. In that, which is the action word, which is the doing word there? Sings. And it is highlighted there in the book. You can see in red color it is written. Sings is the doing word there. Sings is the verb. Manoj eats mangoes. In that, which is the action word? Eats. Manoj eats mangoes. In that, which is the action word? Eats. Next one. Dogs bark at the strangers. Dogs bark at the strangers. Which is the action word there? Bark. The player throws the ball. Here, which is the action word? Throws. The player throws the ball. Throws. Next one, number 5. She washes dirty clothes. She washes dirty clothes. In this, which is the action word, which is the verb there? Washes. Washes is the doing word. Next one, Mohini loves. In that, which is the action word? Loves. So children, now you understood. The verb we can see in every sentence, the action, the verb, that is called the verb. Okay, the doing word, the action word, or the work, that is called the verb. Okay. Now read children. Below one sentence is given that you read. In the above sentences, sings, eats, bark, throws, washes, and loves are verbs. A verb is mainly a doing word. A verb is mainly a doing word. So the main thing here is the doing word. A verb means a doing word. It says that a person does an action. It means a person is doing an action. Such a verb is also called an action verb. So this type of verb we call action verb. When the person is doing an action, it is called verb and it is also called action verb. Next one. A verb may have more than one word, as he is running very fast. In that, more than one word is there. He is running very fast. In this, you can see he is running very fast. In this, there are two verbs. Is and running. These both are verbs. Okay, is running. They are eating fruit and vegetables. They are eating fruit and vegetables. In this, are eating. Two words are there. In the above sentences, is running and are eating are verbs. These verbs consist of more than one word. A verb is a word used to express an action, state, or possession. A verb is a word. What is the definition for verb? A verb is a word used to express an action, state, or possession. Children, please repeat. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. Once more you can repeat. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. So when we see in a sentence an action or a state or a possession, that is called verb. Read the following sentences and understand them. Picture is given there, children. What is action, what is state, what is possession? We can understand. Examples are given. He writes a letter. In that action of writing, there we can see the action. He writes a letter. What does he do? He writes. He writes a letter. Next one. India is a large country. How is India? The state of being a large country. That is in this we can see India is a large country. It shows the state. It shows the state of being a large country. Okay. Next one. My uncle has a car. That means possession. Whose car it is? Uncle's car. My uncle has a car. So in this, which is the action, which is the verb? Has. That is possession verb. Okay. That is possession verb. Some are action verb and some are state verb. Understood, children? So in this, my uncle has a car. This is the possession. Okay, it shows the possession. Children, in this lesson, only this much explanation only is given. Now we have to do exercises. So now you understood what is verb, and please tell the definition of verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. Okay. Now please take page number 60 and we can do the exercise. Pick out verbs in the following sentences and write them in the boxes. What you have to do? You have to pick out the verbs and write in the box. There, right side, boxes are given. Here you can see in the right side, boxes are given. There you have to write the answer. What you have to write there? You have to write the verb. You have to write the action word. Okay. She is playing tennis. First one, she is playing tennis. Children, what is the answer there? She is playing tennis. She is playing tennis. Here there are two words. Is playing is the verb. So in the box, what you will write there? Is playing. Number one, is playing. This is the exercise A. Is playing. This you have to write in the box there given. Is playing. Okay. Now second one. Anita and Babita are sisters. In this only one word. Anita and Babita are sisters. Here which is a verb there? Are. Here what is the verb? Are. So this you will write in the box. Then number 3. Manoj has a color TV. This is possession verb. Manoj has a color TV. Who has got the color TV there? Manoj. So which is the verb here? Has. This is possession verb. Has. Then number 4. They like music. They like music. In this, which is action? Which is the verb? Like. They like music. Then number 5. Ramesh is an intelligent student. Ramesh is an intelligent student. So in this, which is the verb? Is. Ramesh is. It is state. So it is the state of verb. Ramesh is. He is like that. Okay. Ramesh is an intelligent student. In this, is the verb. Is the verb. It shows the Ramesh is an intelligent student. It shows the state. Okay. Next one. These birds are beautiful. These birds are beautiful. In this, are is the action word or verb. Are is the action word or verb. Number 7. My sister prepares lunch for me. What does she do? Prepares. So this is the verb here. So prepares is the verb. So this you will write in the box. The number 8. Always speak the truth, which is the action word here. Speak. Always speak the truth. Speak. Okay. Then number 9. She is learning French. She is learning French. In this, which is the action word, which is the verb, is learning. Is learning. Number 9. Is learning. Number 10. The police have caught the thief. The police have caught the thief. Have caught. Have caught is the verb here. Have caught. Two words are there. Have caught. Next one. He went to office late, which is action here. Went. He went to office late. That is the verb. So went. Number 12. February comes after January. In this, which is the action word? In this, which is the verb or action word or doing word, anything. February comes after January. Comes. Number 13. She bought a brand new car. She bought a brand new car. Bought. She bought a brand new car. Bought. The next one. Number 14. We played football yesterday. In this, which is the verb played. We played football yesterday. In this, which is the verb played. We played football yesterday. Which action we did? Played. Okay. Next one. The boys were doing their work. The boys were doing their work. In this, which is action? Were doing. So right there, were doing. Were doing. So children, we have completed exercise A now. We have completed exercise A. And exercise B is there. Exercise B we will do tomorrow. So all of you please complete this exercise in your book and study well, children. You have to learn well. What is a verb that you have to learn very well. The definition also. Definition is there in the book. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. So what is the homework for you? Read lesson 13 and learn exercise A and learn exercise A. Okay, only this much for today. So we will see tomorrow. Bye children. Thank you.